want to do you know. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Yeah, I Damian Crawford, and I make the video to beg anybody who might have influence over for just stay inside during this COVID-19 thing and just try follow the rules, the curfew rules for them set. No, you can legitimately ask why BPO can open and you can hustle, or why bank or why factory can open and you can go sell to clothes or whatever. And you gotta ask why both can depend sea and you can keep a little get together, you can hold a vibes with the brethren. But also ask yourself, if 10 people need a ventilator and we only have 2, will they give you 1? You have to know yourself and know what it means. Fact of the matter is, Jamaica is not a level place. And so, if we have 10 people need ventilator and only have 2, likely would I say, regular ghetto people, them now get none. So because that is the case, I better you just say prevention better than cure and stay inside. Also, even if you are going to recover, can you afford the cost of where you are going to get for the recovery there? You can't. So while the world of fear and the rules look like it's skewed one way or the other, and we know that sometimes everybody inside is not the same. I have thought now, when I have AC, I may have multiple room, I may have multiple TV, I may have cable. No, some people, no light, no water. Maybe a 2-bedroom with 8 people or a 1-bedroom. Very uncomfortable, but at the same time, still I say to you, check it if this thing should spread, if you are going to be the priority. And 99% of you who can't afford private hospital, not going to be the priority. So, please, may I beg you now, cuss all you want, but cuss inside. Vex all you want, but vex inside. Because if push come to shove and them have to choose who live, it won't be you. And if them have to choose who dead, it likely will be you. So remember me, I say know who you are and what it means, and obey the rules and stay inside. Respect.
Yeah. Real thing Damian Crawford attack, and big up to Damian Crawford. I understand people, because it's that youth there, the Rasta youth there, is one of the politicians in Jamaica we always respect, no matter what. You understand? It's a youth there I always look up to as a politician, because he always come forward with some positiveness, and you know what I mean, even though you have a lot of people who have disagreements with them and thing, but honestly in a thing, no people, me not pick side with politics or say yo who me deal with people who are represent, and you understand, whether you are P or you are J, and once I represent for the people them, you understand, and them we are go with you, you understand, but at the end people, me not go come say boom and dip my finger and do this, but all me can say is a real message the man send out there, and people need to listen to this, you understand, and understand what the man say, real thing the man talk, you get me, because in at the end people, we as the poorer people them, and we have to protect ourselves, you know what I mean, because the richer man them can stay really comfortable up there, as a man tell you have them TV and so in a quarantine and them house and them cable and them this how much TV in a room, AC and everything. But for the poor man them maybe in a little zinc house it hot, they even have the internet, they even have the cable TV, so them find it really tough and really hard to stay inside, you know what I mean. But at the end we have to make that sacrifice there, you get me I say, and just to protect our life, because one life forgot, you know. In the day, we don't got 2 life, it's 1, and we have to try our best to protect this. You get me I say? So, in the end, you have to decide where you want. Is either you want live out your 3 points, or you want break your 3 points and go the 6 foot. It's up to you. You get me I say? But in the end, real message, Damian Crawford attack, and big up to the man again. Yes, Damian Crawford, and as someone have to say, the politician them out there come talk and represent for the poor people them. You understand? And stop stick by one side and don't pretend, because sometimes some people think if come forward and just pretend, you know. You get me I say, but one of them and if you come truthful and talk. So you don't know the thing of my viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and we say attack. Remember to do subscribe, and when you do subscribe, please hit that notification bell icon, so as I drop a video you will get them. You don't know the thing of peace out, respect, big up, attack them NEWLINK. Peace.